In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enforce a primary key in Snowflake, a crucial part of ensuring data integrity and efficiency in your database operations. Defining a primary key constraint is a foundational step when structuring your databases, especially if you want to uniquely identify each record in your table. Thankfully, Snowflake makes it relatively straightforward whether you're creating a new table or altering an existing one. Let's start by talking about what a primary key is and why it's important. A primary key is a unique identifier for a row within a table. It ensures that no two rows can have the same primary key value, which helps maintain data accuracy and consistency. Imagine having a table full of employee records. Without a primary key, you might accidentally have duplicates or data inconsistencies, which could complicate any operations you perform on this table. So, having a primary key is crucial for keeping your data organized and reliable. Now, let's dive into how you can define a primary key while creating a new table in Snowflake. The process is quite user-friendly. You'll need to use the create table statement. Let me give you an example to paint a clearer picture. Suppose you are building an employee database. You might write something like, create table employees, followed by parentheses, where you list the columns. For instance, you could include an employee ID, first name, and last name. Then, you define the primary key right within those same parentheses. So, you would write something like this. Employee ID int, first name string, last name string, and where it gets crucial is the part where you specify primary key, employee ID. What we're doing here is establishing that the employee ID will serve as our unique identifier for every employee in this table. Now each ID must be unique, and this requirement is automatically enforced by Snowflake, meaning you cannot insert a row with a duplicate employee ID. It helps prevent data redundancy and errors when querying the database, ensuring that the queries return precise and intended results every time. One important thing to remember about primary keys in Snowflake is that while Snowflake allows you to define a primary key, it does not enforce foreign key constraints. So, handling foreign key relationships and ensuring referential integrity is something the user has to manage at the application level or through additional logic, which is different from some other database management systems. That's it for setting up a primary key when you initially create a table. Now you're equipped with the understanding needed to define a primary key that ensures your database remains clean and efficient. As you manage your databases in Snowflake, knowing how to enforce primary keys will help you maintain structured and reliable data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide both informative and helpful.